Your photo booth attendant just cost you a $2,000 rebooking, and they don't even know it. I'm Coach Sharone, Photo Booth Expo Hall of Fame inductee, and in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact mistake that's costing photo booth owners thousands in lost revenue and how to fix it. Let's go. Here's what happened at a wedding last month. Beautiful venue, $1,500 package, everything perfect. The bride's sister approaches the photo booth to take a picture. She's a little shy. The attendant says, "Want to take a photo?" She shakes her head and walks away. That interaction just cost the business owner $2,000. Why, do you say? Because the sister was planning her own wedding for next year, unbeknownst to the photo booth attendant. She was just testing the experience. Instead of becoming a raving fan, she walks away thinking photo booths are awkward and pushy. This is happening at every event. Your staff thinks their job is just to take photos. Wrong. Their job is creating experiences so good that guests become our own sales team. Let me give you one complete lesson from my system. It's called the first impression formula, and it's how you turn every guest interaction into a potential referral. Let's break down the difference between a basic attendant and a memory-making experience creator. Wrong way. Want to take some photos? Here's the right way. I love how happy you all look tonight. I have an idea that's going to capture exactly how fun your friendship is. Trust me on this one. See the shift? One is passive and forgettable. The other creates excitement, trust, and genuine connection. When your team uses the first impression formula, here's what happens. Guests stay longer at the booth. They share photos immediately, which is free marketing. They tell friends about the experience. They remember your company name. They request your specific team for future events. One owner in our community went from 30% rebooking rate to 70% in 6 months just from using this framework. That's over $50,000 in extra revenue. No ads, no extra gear, just better interactions. And this is just one of the 47 techniques inside my full system, the Exceptional Attendant. You'll get guest personality types and how to connect, scripts for awkward situations, quick reference cards your team can use at events, a complete onboarding checklist for new hires. And today, I'm giving you this lesson plus 3 bonus scripts as a free PDF. Click below to download now. And don't let another event cost you rebookings you should have earned.